What's up, everyone? Welcome back to this week's episode of Sweet and Savory Barbecue. I'm Jamie Trader. We're going to be getting you ready for Valentine's Day today with a ribeye steak out on our PK grill. Let's get started. To start this recipe, we're going to start with a chimney full of royal oak charcoal in our PK grill. Just light that using a tumbleweed and let it get good and hot. Once the charcoal is good and hot, dump it out in the bottom of the grill, and we take about a half a chimney of unlit coal and put that on top. That's going to let our temps come up to excess of 500 degrees, get our grill with our grill grates in place so we let them get nice and hot, and close the lid and let the temps come up. So we've got our ribeye steaks here. As you can see, these steaks have a little tail on the end. You can leave it on there if you want, it's not going to hurt anything, but I'm going to come in here and just round the steak off a little bit. I'm not going to do any other trimming other than that. Round that guy off. Now we're going to get some seasoning on them. So for our seasoning, we're just going to use our salt, pepper, and garlic rub here. There's a recipe for this on our website. Just get a pretty good even coat. Press that in. I'm going to flip it over, get the other side. And for a little bit of texture and some added flavor, we're going to use Killer Hog steak rub. I'll leave a link for this down in the description. Medium coat of that steak rub on there. Press that in. Go ahead and get that backside too. We're going to let these hang out here on the counter to sweat out a little bit while our PK is still getting hot. And then we're going to go out there and get these things cooked up. So we're going to check our grill here. Got our grill grates in place. And we're looking for over 500. We got 563, 570 there, 580, 530. All above 500. That's perfect for searing these steaks. I'm going to come on here. Give them a little press down to get good contact. Get this one on here. Same thing. All right, we're going to set a timer for 2 minutes, and then we're going to give these steaks a twist. Our first 2 minutes is up. We'll come in here. We're going to give these steaks a twist. And a little mash down there again. Set the timer for another 2 minutes. Our next 2 minutes is up. We've got a stick of butter here that we've melted. We're going to baste these steaks with them when we flip them. Got our grill marks going. Just got my timer. We're just going to give these a baste of butter. We're not actually going to brush it, just drizzle it over. And we're going to set our timer for 1.5 minutes here. Our 1.5 minutes is up. Let's move this butter out of the way. And I want to go ahead here and take a peek at our internal temperatures. Sitting at about 95 to 100 there. And just over 100 there. We're going to give these another twist. But here's really where you want to keep an eye on your internal temperatures so you don't overshoot that medium rare stage. We're looking for between 122 and 125. While we got the grill open, we're going to give it another baste with our butter. And we'll check this in about another 1.5 minutes. So we've had another 1.30 minutes. We're going to come in here, take another peek. Still not quite there on that one yet. Almost there on that one. Another minute or so and these guys will be done. All right, our next minute's up. Come in here, take a peek. I'm gonna call that one done. Get that guy off. We'll check this one. I'm gonna call that one done too. We've got a plate set up over here. We'll just get them on there. And this is the perfect time to get one more drizzle of our butter. And we're going to take these inside for a short rest. So we've got our steaks in here. We've got them on the cutting board. They've rested for about 10 minutes, and that's all they take. Before we cut into them, we're going to review what we did. We started with 2 ribeyes. They were about a pound each, well, a little less maybe. And we got our PK fired up. You can use any grill, just get it nice and hot. You want them temps to be above 500. We used some grill grates to get these beautiful grill marks on there. We seasoned it with our salt, pepper, and garlic rub, followed by the steak rub from Malcolm Reed at How to BBQ Right. Be sure to check him out. And it was 2 minutes. Give it a twist, 2 more minutes. Give it a flip and repeat that same process till you get to the doneness you want. I pulled these at about 122 to 125, somewhere in that range for that medium rare doneness. So now it's time for everybody's favorite part. We're going to cut into these guys, see what we did. We'll move this one out of the way. Now I'm just going to come here right down the middle. Beautiful doneness on that one. We'll check this one too. And that one is right on the money, just the same. I'm going to get a bite out of this one right over here. And I'm going to go for the best part. That's that spinalis, the cat of the ribeye. Tons of flavor, tons of moisture. That steak rub gives it an excellent flavor. That's an awesome steak, and it's really simple. Be sure to give this a try for Valentine's Day. I promise it'll be more impressive than taking that special someone out to a fancy restaurant. Thank you for checking out this week's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you see all our upcoming videos, and check us out on all our other social media outlets, Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see y'all next time.